before you came round. I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
Are you curious about Vivo V7 Plus's performance after a month's usage? Then continue watching to find out. Hi, I'm Christine and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be giving you a review of Vivo V7 Plus's performance after a month's usage. Actually, I have been using this for almost a month now, and I have already changed its case and its screen protector. So yeah, without further ado, let's get onto the video and let's do this. When you buy the Vivo V7 Plus, it comes with a clear case and a screen protector, but as I have said before, I have used this for almost a month now, so I have changed its clear case into this case and its screen protector to this screen protector. That's why it matches. One of the disadvantages of the Vivo V7 Plus is that it's hard to find a phone case for it, unlike the iPhone. You have a lot of choices for the iPhone. Maybe that's why they included a free clear silicone case. As for its charger and earphones, they still work perfectly after a month's usage. The charging is about an hour or so for it to be fully charged. The earphones works great because of Vivo V7 Plus's Hi-Fi feature, so it won't damage my ears, and also the microphone is what I'm using right now for my voiceover. Whew, I just said a lot of words there. When the battery is fully charged, it usually lasts a day for me. I usually text my friends, call them, use data for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, also take selfies or vlog using my phone. There are many ways to unlock the phone. You can use the lock button, the double tap option, or the fingerprint. And right now, I am currently testing the double tap option, and as you can see, it works perfectly fine. The fingerprint option is also very fast and is very accurate as well. As soon as you put your finger on the fingerprint sensor, it unlocks the phone. The facial recognition is also quite accurate if you have good lighting and if you're not wearing any glasses. Nevertheless, if you have good lighting and if you're not wearing any glasses, the facial recognition works perfectly. For the response time of opening the apps, before it was very fast, but after using almost half of the memory of the phone, it changed quite a little bit, but only a little bit. The switching from window to window is still very fast, as you can see right here. And then for opening the apps, you can see that it is still fast, but it has a slight pause before it completely loads the application. So it's not that noticeable, unlike when I was using my Sony Z3, the response time was so slow, but this one it's still very fast, even though you used almost half of the memory already. One of the things that I love about the Vivo V7 Plus is its front camera because it takes such HD and clear pictures. Its rear camera has a lower resolution than its front camera, but it still takes good picture. You can see my Instagram for sample pictures. Hashtag shameless plug. And for the video, just go see for yourself. Hey guys, it's me and I'm vlogging with my Vivo V7 Plus's front camera. Both front and rear camera takes 1080p resolution, perfect for vlogging. If you want to see a camera test or a vlog test for the Vivo V7 Plus, just comment down below and I will definitely try my best to do it. So do I recommend the Vivo V7 Plus? I say yes, this has been the best Android phone that I had so far. It's fast and it has a big memory for me. And after a month's usage, I can say that I really love its camera. Its camera is super HD in front, and I love that the charging is fast as well and that its earphones are still working until now. And also, yes, I really love its camera. it makes my selfies more HD, it makes me more beautiful. And also the touch ID at the back is so fast that I just love it. So do I recommend it? Yes, I do. And if you want more reviews, just comment down below what you want me to review and I will definitely check your comments out. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well because I upload videos every single week. And I will see you again next week. Bye!